Yes, you read it right. Ubereats is now showing the drop-off location for customers as well as the restaurant we're picking up from. Not clickbait. Stay tuned to figure out how is this possible. Sup y'all, this is Elijah here, coming at you with another video from the app Lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hand. And we're going to be talking about Ubereats today. And I have fantastic news. The inevitable has finally happened. Ubereats is now showing the customer drop-off location as well as the restaurant we're picking up from. That alone is just fantastic news. I want to say give a big shout out to Uber, but they should have been doing it all along. So why are they doing this? Basically, it's become an industry standard because their competitors are doing it. And a large number of people probably have been, when they press start delivery, basically they cancel it because they don't like where the drop-off is going. If they knew that ahead of time, they wouldn't have took the delivery. Now, it does come with some limitations currently, which I think they'll probably change in the very near future. But as it stands, you can only see the drop-off in the restaurant when it comes to guarantee orders. So if an order's been floating around long enough, y'all know that incentive or guarantee gets attached to it. It has to be that type of order before this information is shown. There's still orders floating around there that's just like a normal Uber Eats order that has that bag icon and it wants you to take it. But in my opinion, they were forced to do this because, like I said, it's the industry standard. And a lot of people probably weren't taking these guaranteed orders because it's like hitting the lottery. You don't know what you're going to get. I mean, yeah, you know it's paying $10, but it takes you on the other side of the world. You get pissed off and you cancel. Or you just don't take the delivery in the first place. Hence, the customer gets their food 2 hours later or it never gets picked up. Obviously, that makes Uber look bad, so they're finally giving in somewhat. But I think they'll eventually have to change that. By changing, I mean that all orders will have to show this information because think about it. Honestly, yesterday I played around with this all day. When I first saw it, I was as shocked as y'all are watching this video. A guarantee order came and it showed the drop-off location and it showed the restaurant I'm picking from. I mean, my jaw literally dropped like that. But I got spoiled yesterday. Like the guarantee orders started coming in and the regular orders were kind of like, I took some of them, but I kind of stopped taking them. I just took the guarantee orders because I could see where I was going and I could avoid certain cities. I mean, like in the Uber Eats strategies and Uber Eats zones in the advanced Uber Eats course, you value certain cities based off of how much is paying in your XYZ. You can check that out if you want to know more about that. But I use this to avoid certain areas. And a lot of times, orders I wouldn't have I took because it worked out for me. The last order I took literally was 6 miles away and it was going like 8 miles. But guess what? All that was on my way home. It literally took me to the city I stay in. So I had no problem taking it. That worked out for me. That worked out for Uber Eats. It worked out for everyone. Versus the information's not there and well, you know how that goes. Now I have noticed the back-to-back orders. What a back-to-back order is, if you're on a delivery and an order comes in, that's a back-to-back order or delivery. It'll show the restaurant, but it won't show the map. I'm assuming they're gonna amend that in the future because that doesn't make any sense. But I saw one would come in, I would just ignore it or decline it, finish the delivery I was on because that's a little unacceptable. So I would just wait until I finish the delivery and then continue getting the orders I can see the information on. I mean, Postmates does it. If you're in the middle of a delivery, you get another delivery, it just shows the map and the drop off and everything. So they can do it. So hopefully that will change soon, but that's that limitation. But as of right now, it's just on guarantee orders. I see it eventually coming to all orders because drivers are just not going to take these regular orders. And when they don't take them, well, then it's going to have to reach that guarantee status, which means Uber's going to have to pay more money because people aren't taking them. So they could save themselves all that trouble if they just show the information from the very beginning instead of having the order reach that guarantee status. But that does it for this video. Great news. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you have not checked out the Ubereats course, you need to do so, because you can make between $11 to $18 an hour. That shows a methodology on how to do that. And for you real go-getters, there's an advanced Ubereats course where you can make that same amount of money with less time via strategies. And be sure to smash that like button, and please, please, please share this, because this is great news. Man, this is Elijah, signing out for the App Lifestyle. Peace.